I don't know how to express it. It's like a dream. It's like I'm dreaming. It's like I don't know how to express this. I'm so happy. I'm emotional right now. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Really. Sorry?
What were you thinking about the race coming in? What were you expecting?
For me, I was just expecting to run my best, to lower my personal best, so 14:31. Not to run this fast. Yeah, this was incredible. I was not expecting this, to say the truth. And this was amazing. Yeah.
Most amazing than last week.
Sorry?
Most amazing.
More amazing.
Than last week.
Yeah, I can say this was really amazing. This was really a big surprise. Not even like Florence. Florence, yeah, I was surprised with my touch world record, and today was really surprising. Yeah, I don't know. I'm still like I'm mad or something, but yeah, I can't go.
You saw Jakob breaking the record before you, and you've seen two world leads. How is the track and how are the conditions here?
Ooh, the track is really good with the weather, everything. The fans are really cheering, and yeah, it was really amazing today, and I can't go.
How did you work with Beatrice towards this?
I knew Beatrice was going to base really good. I know she's a good athlete. She's good in pacing. She did before the pacing 5,000 for Kide. And I knew she was going to do her best here because I knew Kide was going to break the world record. So I told myself, just relax and see what you can run in 5,000 because yeah, it's not my race, but I thank God I did it. Yeah.
And how did the lights help you? Were you looking at the
I
lights?
can say yes, the lights really helped me because I stayed with the green lights. I didn't run with the blue lights because I knew the blue lights was a little bit weaker. So I said, let me hold on with the green lights.